Saturday morning and jumped out of bed, put in my best suit, got in a car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have a daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Love, luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm a human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway, marry that girl, marry you anyway, marry that girl. No matter what she said, marry that girl. We'll be a family.